Hello there and a very warm welcome here to my channel. I'm Marie and today I would like to show you just very quickly and easily how you can weave in your yarn tails in your crochet projects. So here I have a little swatch of single crochet stitches and the work is facing me with the right side. And you can easily see that it's the right side because it has this kind of twisted row here in the bottom. So I'm going to flip my work to the wrong side to weave the yarn tails. So I'm going to attach my darning needle here. And I'm just going to insert my needle here through my stitches. And I have to always make sure that the thread doesn't come out on the front side and shows here on the front. And I will just weave it in a little bit more so that it's not visible here on the back or on the front side. And I will pull my yarn through. And just to secure the yarn, I'm going to weave it back one more time. But I'm not going to go back all the way through the same path as before, because then it would just come back out again. So I'm going to weave it in through the next little strand of yarn here and weave it back. So now it's nice and secure. So I will just cut the yarn. And I will do the same thing with the other yarn tail. So just attach the needle and weave it in through the stitches, making sure that it doesn't show on the front or the back. Then weave it in again a little further and weave it back, but not through the same path, but skip one thread and go back again. Then I'll cut my yarn and we're all done. So that's really all there is to it. I hope you really found this video useful. If you did, make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel for a lot more crocheting tutorials and tips. I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.